ACIB is a research center that works in the field of industrial biotechnology. This is a huge field of action, which requires a multidisciplinary team. One of these disciplines is applied biodiversity. Here, knowledge of microbiomes and their application for the protection, sustainable use, and restoration of agricultural and natural ecosystems plays a central role. The more diverse a microbiome is, the more beneficial it is for the environment. A healthy microbiome also helps protect us from pathogens. This applies not only to soil ecosystems, but also, for example, to the human gut microbiome. Our researchers work closely with scientific partners at Graz University of Technology to characterize microbial communities in a wide range of environments using multi-omics technologies. This approach enables us to develop innovative process technologies that fully harness the potential of microbiomes. Key outcomes include sustainable alternative biological fertilizers and pesticides, as well as probiotics. The research field of applied biodiversity is one of our crucial pieces in the big picture of biotechnology. Let's innovate from nature.